Are you looking for the best electric wall heaters? In this video, we will look at some of the 10 best heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Heatstorm HS1000 WX Wi-Fi. This wall-mounted electric heater from Heatstorm is both safe and energy efficient, packed full of the latest modern features. A Wi-Fi connection capability allows it to be controlled from anywhere, furthering the ease of use. The space-saving design is also a nice touch for those who are limited on space. One feature which was appreciated on this wall-mounted heater was the compact design that saves a ton of floor space. The wire can be stored inside the heater to minimize the footprint it has in a room. Furthermore, the electric wall heater works well as a portable unit with its easy installation, so moving it between rooms is quick and easy. Compared to a traditional wall heater, the energy efficiency of the Heatstorm provides a greater heat output with minimal energy consumption. It utilizes patented HMS dual wall technology to give the maximum heat output with just 110 volts of power. Additionally, the safety features on this wall-mounted electric heater are safe even for children and pets. By accessing the heat settings from the app, the heat output can be easily controlled. The programmable thermostat can even be set up to work on a schedule. At number 2. DeLonghi. The DeLonghi has a sleek and modern build and uses dual fans in front of the heating element to efficiently spread warm air. With multiple heating settings and thermostat, complete control and customization is given to the user. Additionally, the 3-inch wide design allows it to easily fit into any room. DeLonghi panel heaters use 2 fans alongside the heating panel to provide instant heat to any room. Whether it is as a supplementary heating panel or an extension of the existing HVAC system, it meshes well in any room. The fans push air from the top of the unit, so there is almost instant heating of the space. Additionally, the control that the unit provides allows for precise temperature adjustment. The digital control panel features a built-in thermostat with a timer so you can schedule heating for when you most need it. There are also a number of safety features that will help prevent the internal circuitry from being damaged. An internal switch will trigger if the unit begins falling over. There is also a unique thermal cutoff that cuts off the water when it is not needed to prevent frozen pipes. At number 3. Braun 174. The 174 Braun wall heater is built to last, with an enamel finish and one-piece assembly for durability that lasts. Additionally, this electric wall heater features a permanently lubricated motor for an efficient operation every time. Sporting a design that is both functional and durable, you can't go wrong with the 174 from Braun. Efficiency is the name of the game when it comes to the 174 from Braun. Starting from the design to the power consumption, there is not a single inefficient component. The grille features downward-facing louvers to control heat distribution. Furthermore, the built-in thermostat makes for a straightforward method to adjust the temperature. There is not an overabundance of LEDs or other settings to change, just a plain and simple control panel. It is not uncommon to see wall heaters draw a substantial amount of power while in operation. This is another area where the efficient Braun electric wall heater shines. It operates at both 2000W and 1000W with little difference in performance, which can save you $1 or $2 in power consumption. At number 4. Heatstorm HS1000 WX. Another infrared wall-mounted electric heater from Heatstorm, the HS1000, has a number of valuable features. Among the many features, the Safe Touch Grille is solid insurance against accidental injuries and damages. The easy-to-adjust settings on the remote control are also a nice touch for better accessibility. One of the most appreciated features of the HS1000 is the LED control panels that turn off after 5 minutes. Although it may seem like a simple feature, having bright LEDs in a bedroom at night is not the best for sleep. The auto shut-off feature makes using this electric wall heater in bedrooms and nurseries much more comfortable. Speaking of nurseries, the grille is made of a material that will not burn skin. If you have young children or pets, you can rest easy knowing they won't be able to get hurt around this electric wall heater.
Another handy feature is the compact design that is translated well onto a wall installation.
Less than 2 square feet of wall space is needed, making for an incredibly minimal footprint. At number 5. Stiebel Eltron 074058. The stiebel eltron is in another field than standard wall heaters. Featuring top-notch German engineering and design, it is able to distribute heat efficiently and quietly. As far as forced fan heaters go, this model is able to quickly turn cool air into warm air in no time at all. Stiebel Eltron has taken the concept of forced fan heaters and increased their efficiency. As the cool air is lighter, it tends to be higher than warmer air. That is why the 074058 pulls cold air from the top and blows hot air from the bottom for the best coverage and circulation possible. Additionally, a booster dial can be used to turn on the booster mode for up to an hour. In this mode, the efficient operation of the electric wall heater is kicked into high gear for rapid heating. As for the temperature range on this model, it can be easily adjusted with the built-in thermostat. The frost protection setting can also be used to keep the room temperature just above freezing and prevent any damage. At number 6. Econo Home Wall Mount Space Heater Panel. This convection heater from Econo Home uses a heating panel as the heating element to circulate warm air throughout the room. The low power consumption allows you to leave it running without breaking the bank on your energy bills. Safety features to keep the unit from overheating make this a solid choice for heating small rooms. Convection heaters use a panel heater for energy-efficient performance. When starting up the panel, it uses minimal radiant heat to allow the heated air to fill the room slowly. This radiant heater heating panel uses less than 1/3 of the electricity consumption of standard wall heaters. Additionally, it is possible to leave electric wall heaters running to ensure a constant temperature in the room. An overheat protection feature makes it safe to touch while constantly heating up to 120 square feet of space. Another valuable feature for those with asthma and dust allergies is the fan that does not dry out the air. Dust and other air particulates are not allowed to circulate due to the unique fan system that circulates the heated air. At number 7. Trustech Wall Mount Heater. Another radiant heater, this model from Trustech, uses an efficient heat resistor system to radiate heat into the room. The flush mount makes it appear similar to an in-wall electric heater and can be painted to blend in with a range of interior designs. Installing the Trustech space heater effectively turns a wall into a surface that gently pulses heat into the room. It measures only 1.4 inches thick, saving tons of floor space compared to stand and baseboard heaters. To install the heater, simply drill 4 holes in the wall and attach the unit with the included screw caps. Additionally, the in-wall heaters have overheating protection that will turn off the unit if it gets too hot. Otherwise, it uses windless heating to minimize allergens and dust from traveling throughout the room. With all the safety features and a quiet operation, this model is ideal for even children and the elderly. The control panel is also as minimal as possible with a single on and off switch. At number 8. Air. The G73 from Air is a sturdy and portable heater with forced air heating to warm up to 500 square feet. It features adjustable louvers to allow for complete control over where the heat is being pointed. Furthermore, a built-in thermostat adds further control to the heater. Among wall-mounted electric heaters, the construction can be an area of compromise. By having a stainless steel shell, the G73 is able to withstand any environment, whether it is a garage or a workplace. Climatic conditions will not affect the performance of the wall heater as well with such a robust build. Additionally, the G73 has overheating protection that is ETL certified. By being hardwired during the installation, turning it on is as simple as flicking a switch. You can leave it on without worrying about it becoming too hot. Controlling the heat output on the G73 has 2 dimensions, giving extensive options for heating. On one level is the built-in thermostat that can easily be adjusted. The adjustable louvers and tilting heads provide further control by pointing the output to areas where you need it the most. At number 9. Dr. Heater. Heating up a garage, stores, or large areas is a breeze with the DR975 from Dr. Heater. 5 adjustable louvers on the front point the heat where you want for the most efficient heat coverage. Acting as the primary or secondary heating element, it can also be easily mounted and controlled remotely for a seamless user experience. Heat generation in the DR975 electric heater is done using a spiral steel metal sheath that has a low temperature. This has the benefit of making the unit safer and having a uniform heat distribution. A timer setting can be used to switch off the heating element after the set period has expired. Furthermore, a sizable dynamic fan pushes the heat into the louvers with maximum airflow that is both silent and efficient. The fan motor is enclosed and has a ball bearing that allows it to spin smoothly without generating too much noise. By changing the angle of the louvers, the direction of the heat can also be adjusted according to your needs. Dr. Heater has also included a remote control to make adjusting the electric heater more accessible. Temperature, as well as duration, can be changed without having to access the unit directly. At number 10. Trustech. Trustech has made a versatile and portable model called the IPH01S that can be a wall heater or a standing heating element. With 3 modes to choose from, the rooms are quickly warmed thanks to the built-in quartz tubing. There is also a programmable timer to allow it to autonomously warm the room. Performance-wise, the IPH01S is a solid 10 that is comparable to central heating units. The Trustech electric wall heater handles heating times using a quartz tube that provides warmth in seconds without getting too hot. Additionally, the tube quickly becomes cool when it needs to be carried around, so the unit is safe to handle. Furthermore, the control panel is backlit with LEDs and can also be used with a remote control. There are also 3 modes to choose from, a low and high mode as well as an energy-saving mode. Depending on what you need, these modes can be easily switched between using either the remote or the control panel itself. Using a natural cross-convection heating method, the IPH01S has a balanced coverage. The programmable timer can turn the electric heater on or off when you need it. Heating is autonomous and ready to go at the push of a button.